1, 2, let's go. So what did you do? How many pieces? Good job.
I did 305 pieces.
Okay. Good job. How about the other one?
And also, it's actually very good.
Okay, that's a good track I can see. So how many pieces here?
That's 305.
Okay. Good job. So total how many pieces do we have now?
305.
Okay, 305. That's a good job. That's a good job. Okay. So I'll make a good video now. Wow. So we're gonna show your mom when your mom is here, okay? To see how great you did. Good job. Okay, now one more thing. We need to take a video of your car while on the racing track, okay? So just stay there. Hold this for me. Let me bring the car, okay? So we're gonna show your mom that because we need to try on. This is one. Okay. So we're gonna keep. Yes, should we keep it? So because one of the should we keep it here?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. There you go. Now, you hold this. Good. No need to drive it. So let's see. Good job. Good job. That's fantastic. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, fantastic. Okay, I think we have everything we need now. I love this. I love this. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, the other transformer going. Good, good, good. Lovely. Wow, that's fantastic. I love it. We did a great job. Cool, cool. That's nice. That's nice. Oh, one. Okay, let's start now. Cool. Wow, the second sound. Okay, that's the dog. The second sound. Ooh, good siren. The next one. Please, I'm not hearing anything. You're coding. See, are you sure you coded well? I'm not hearing the sound. Okay. Okay, the next one. Oh, that's like a frog. The next one. The next one. You know what I haven't heard? I haven't heard a lion. Right, I haven't heard a lion. Is there no lion? I'm sure, Iman, let me ask Iman, I'm sure there's Iman? Is there no lion voice here? There should be. Lion, like a roar. And you said there is a Idris. Imam said there is. No, I mean the roar I want because I haven't heard a lion roar. Roar, you know, like a sound. So give me a lion roar sound. Good. So change your coding. Give me a lion roar sound, okay? Yeah, we can add a 2 new one, 1, 2 lion roar, okay? When you're done, let me know, okay? Good job. Good.